So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video here with us at History Talks. I'm here with Ion, Fatima, and together with Vic. And we are going to show you some of the historical places here out in Manila. And our first stop would be the National
Museum.
Fine Arts.
of Fine
See you later,
Arts.
guys.
So let's
So,
go.
guys.
Throughout this video, medyo onti lang videos na mapapakita na actually kasi bawal daw videos dun sa loob ng museum. Sensitive daw si Kuya Guard. Binawal nga kami dun.
Pinagbawala kami ni Kuya Guard kanina dun.
Safety precautions. Yeah. Hindi ko alam. Nasa labas pa lang
yun.
kami nun.
Baka daw kasi
Papasok na
kumalaw
sila.
yung mga paintings sa loob.
Yeah. Then papasok na kami guys, okay na.
So we are now here guys at the National Fine Arts of Museum. First stop is the Spolarium. This is just quick photos. So yun. Tara na.
One of the oldest paintings.
Yeah, tara na daw.
So yun guys, naisip lang kami.
We're taking sneaky videos.
So good.
Have to be quiet.
So bawal sa anong ginagawa namin. We're just doing it for the video.
For the video only guys.
For the sake
This
of
one.
our work.
This is how dedicated we are for this video. And here
Yeah.
are some of the more art pieces.
So we are now here in Gallery 6. So sheesh. That's huge.
Here we are guys with the Partition Life.
The Persian life.
Persian Life.
One of the artwork of Juan Luna. By Juan Luna.
So this was actually tackled within our class. Here is the real life portrait of it. So yeah. Okay, so we're as again we're taking quick videos and pictures of it. Yeah, and that's for you guys. So ayun guys, Nikki videos again. We'll be right back. So we are currently at the fourth floor of the museum. So we're still here guys. At the bottom part, there is a painting of the Constitution of the Philippines and how it was formed. So you could see the history of the Philippines from Katipunan throughout the Spanish-American War. Everything here is seen and yeah, so far so good here on our current trip. Our next stop, which would be Intramuros. So, sana hindi mainit kasi I've been there, done that. Not a good experience, guys. So, we'll be right back.
Guys, we're going to Intramuros.
Intramuros.
We're walking, guys, through.
Magbabike kami doon.
Yeah, pagdating dun, guys, we'll be biking. So,
Yes.
we found out na 50 pesos lang ang rental ng bikes,
Yeah.
which is for students.
Very cheap lang guys.
So, if you wanna explore Intramuros, guys, I highly recommend biking. If marunong kayo, or if want nyo.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yun.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
This is 1892. Welcome back.
So yun guys.
Ako yun, may iba na ako kasama. Joke lang. Joke lang. So,
Tayo, ang isang attack on Titan. Yung yung gati na yung ganun. So yun guys.
We're here at
what's this?
the
We are here in tunnel, like
places here
a
in
tunnel.
Intramuros.
Quartery of Gardens. Pwede ka na matulog dito.
Recommended siya for picnic.
Ah, wait. Yeah,
Kung
so
ano.
pwede magbit-bit ng ano.
Yes.
Ooh, that's the first story. Pwede pala.
Mamaya dyan yung papa, andyan yung tatay ni Adelina. Sino ba yun? Si Mr. Borromeo. Nakakulong sila dyan eh.
Ano naman yan? Oo, pwede picnic here.
Yes.
Angas pala.
So we're going to
Picnic tayo.
Kawawa talaga.
Ha? Bakit?
So yun guys,
Ay, balod.
we're stepping aside from
Ay, amak ko balod eh.
right from parkour. Parkour guys.
It's kind of bit dangerous, guys. Don't do this.
Yun. So, back then, when we were filming our short film, nung habang nag-take kami nung isang scene, walang any background music na piano or any instrument. Tapos may biglang nag-play ng piano. Tapos ang ganda ng to. Sobrang creepy. Ayun lang.
Here guys, we are now here. We are now here in Tramuros. So yeah, papasok na kami guys. Hello. We are now here now.
One of the
PLM. Ano na pala yung PLM dito lang sa corner.
many churches are also established here inside the Intramuros walls.
Tramuros is very big talaga. It's very huge.
San Agustin Church was also in here.
So yun guys, nandito kami sa PLM or also known as.
Pamantasang lungsod ng Maynila.
So one of the well-known schools here around Intramuros. Kasama nung other pa which is Mapua and Lyceum. Nasa other side pa yun. So medyo malapit yung bike rentals din sa park. So malayo pa.
May Starbucks guys sa loob ng Intramuros.
Ganda na po ang pagkakasunduan ng Pilipinas at UK. Kasi may flag na. Jokes aside. Random facts guys, since may church dito. You know, Intramuros is one of center or core place during the American and Spanish colonization. They considered it as center of their colony or core. No? Pinipigilan nila ang mga pasok yung kapwa natin Pilipino nung panahon nila.
So it was actually mentioned in the Treaty of Paris during those times.
We're here now at the San Agustin Church, one of the most oldest church here in the Philippines. Here in San Agustin Church, they have their own gallery, which you can see yung mga lumang bells, lumang kampana ng simbahan, yung mga ginagamit ng choir, and so on. And here we're at the entrance of the church.
So yun.
So after the San Agustin Church,
We're now here for the bike
biking.
rentals after I don't know gano'ng habang lakad yun. Basta
Yeah,
lakad kami.
mag-rent na lang kami kaysa maglakad, ang hirap kaya. So yan,
para rin para rin
mag-rent kami.
kami na yung experience para
So
sa
yun,
Yeah.
if you want mag bike rentals, near lang siya or katabi siya ng Cafe in Tramuros.
This one.
Yes.
Eco-friendly na bike. Sadly. Pero yun, cut off na po sila ng 5. So wala, no choice. Lalakad kami.
Tara, kumain na lang tayo, guys.
Your lips, how your tongue do all those tricks, how your nose is wet. Kiss me under the Paris twilight. Kiss me out on the moonlit floor. Kiss me under the Paris twilight. So kiss me.
Wednesday pa lang ba
So yun guys,
So yun guys,
punta kami ng LPU. We are now here in
yung
LPU.
dati kong school.
So look at the moon guys. Look at the moon. So yun guys,
Ayan,
Bakit na po
akit na kami. Sana papasokin kami ng guard.
Na naman!
So yun guys, bawal na naman. So no choice.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Uwi na kami. So anong natin dito?
Saan tayo next?
Ikaw, saan ba tayo pumunta?
Nakabila lang eh. Halos
Yeah,
kung
this is the Elysium.
para tayong terorista sa sarili nating bayan. Pinagbabawal tayo ng mga
This
lokal.
is the, maraming food dito guys. Maraming
So, sa tapat ng LPU, maraming kainan.
Yeah.
May pupuntahan na kami.
Ayun guys, nakapag-decide kami on the spot.
We're going to Binondo Bridge.
Let's go, Binondo.
Yes.
Goodbye, Intramuros. Never again.
Hi guys.
Guys, we're now here in Binondo.
Yes.
So, sumakay kami sa e-trike. And
E-trike and traditional pedicab as we said. Pero yun nga, sa pedicab na sinakyan namin ni Fatima, sobrang daming natutunan namin. Grabe si Kuya, ang dami niyang alam about sa history ng
And
Philippines.
ang fluid niya
Oo,
magsalita ng
mag-English.
English.
Yeah, it's so
English.
shocking, grabe.
So, parang tourist tour guide
Parang
siya.
sa tour guide type pa siya now. So, yun guys, we're walking right now and the bridge of Binondo. So, saan ba tayo stop over for right now?
Aakyat tayo ngayon. Dun sa merong mas maraming ilaw.
Yeah, more lights guys.
Ano natin?
So, mas better yung view dun,
Yes,
no?
mas Instagrammable siya tingnan. Sa taas. Kasi
So, yun guys, ita-testing namin yun. Mini donuts nila here.
yes. Tumesting kami.
Tumesting ka?
Testing. Yo, yung takoyaki guys.
Scent of your lips, how your tongue do all those tricks, how your nose is better. Kiss me under the Paris twilight. Kiss me out on the moonlit floor. Kiss me under the Paris twilight. So kiss me, you fit me.
Magpapoblasan talaga tayo eh.
Yung lip bite talaga eh.
Tama na ako sa poblasan. Pinatatawa.
Sarap guys, the best.
Nagutom. Ang tagal na ng takoyaki. Teka lang.
Appetizer tissue.
Walang Caesar salad eh. Caesar tissue na lang muna. Ipakita mo yung brand. Kasi ano tayo, advertisers din tayo.
During their coffee, guys, it's called Aromar.
Aromar. So, may coffee in
Romar.
Katabi siya ng takoyaki. Ano?
Takoyaki na binila namin pero masarap.
So, ayun. Titikman natin siya as a coffee enthusiast. Simula no?
So yun guys.
Pauwi na kami. We just finished eating/drinking coffee. So, pauwi na kami. Wait, saan ba tayo nagmana?
Masakit sa bulsa.
Sakit sa wallet, guys.
Masakit sa wallet guys. But it's worth it
gusto pa
naman.
nilang umulit.
Di ba ako masarap?
So tama na tong day mo na to.
Tama na.
So, I think
we'll
wala
be
nang-
ending day 1 with butas na wallet.
Wala nang kasunod to. Pero yan. Pero worth it.
Meron pa yun, guys. So,
Dump shot. Okay, thank you.